Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the 12 volt outlet or cigarette lighter fuse is located on this 2003 Audi A6. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button for me and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps me out a lot. So we're going to go here to the driver's side door, and the fuse box is right here behind this panel. So you're just going to pry this panel out like that. That cover is removed. So the cigarette lighter fuse is a 20 amp fuse in slot 33, which is this yellow 20 amp fuse right here. So that is your cigarette lighter fuse right there, 20 amp fuse. I will have some fuses linked down in the description below that you can get on Amazon if you want to. But I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.